Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discussed regarding the job openings on ServiceNow. So let us go through the first job opening here. So role will be a ServiceNow developer and location is Chennai location they are offering for, and experience they are expecting from the candidates is 5 to 8 years of experience. So these are all the key responsibilities and skills and qualifications like must have full implementation experience with at least one ServiceNow product, strong programming and technical expertise, including advanced knowledge of ServiceNow scripting and API integrations, and experience in ServiceNow ITSM at least one additional module, like strong understanding of ServiceNow development, example scripting, UA policies, and UA catalogs items, and similarly with integrations and data import export process. So ServiceNow CSA certification is mandatory. They are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, you can be applicable for this job. You can apply through this mail ID, or else you can go through this WhatsApp number, and you can send your resumes to this WhatsApp number. So coming to the next job opening. So next job opening is regarding ServiceNow ITOM developer, and location is remote location. So this is the job description they are expecting from the candidate, like experience in implementation of ITOM solutions using industry best practices, hands-on experience in development include creation, configuration and customization of patterns, discovery schedules. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate, and also experience in implementation of ServiceNow discovery, ServiceNow mapping and event management, and third-party software integrations with ServiceNow, design and modify ServiceNow forms, workflow script and transform apps, experience in multiple ServiceNow implementation. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your resumes to this person, Anu, by following her. So you can send your resumes there. Coming to the next job opening position is senior ServiceNow developer, and the client location it would be, and job type is long term. Job description, these are all the description of the job, like strong experience in platform administration, managing ServiceNow instances, and user group management, access control and security configuration, update set management. So these are all the skills. If you have these skills and if you're interested for this job opening, send your resumes to this mail ID, like nisha at the rate exstat.com. So you can send your resumes to her if you are interested for the job opening. So coming to the next job title, like ServiceNow developer, and location is Chennai location they are offering for, duration is full time, experiences are 2 to 4 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. So experience in designing, developing, implementing business applications in ITIL, CMDB, service catalog, and change management and incident management they're expecting from the candidate. So number of position is only one position as of now. So if you're interested for this job opening, you can send your resumes here, Muthi Srinivasan, or else you can send your resumes through WhatsApp number also. They have provided the WhatsApp number here. Coming to the next job opening is ServiceNow administrator. Like this is a job description. They are seeking like a highly skilled ServiceNow administrator developer to join a dynamic team. And these are all the key responsibilities, like implement, configure, and customize ServiceNow modules to meet business requirement, develop and maintain integration using REST, SOAP, and other web technologies, provide technical expertise in ServiceNow scripting, JavaScript, and Glide Jelly. So troubleshoot, resolve, and document issues related to ServiceNow configurations and integration. So these are all the main skills they're expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, they didn't given any mail ID. So you can send your resumes by following Shalinity. Coming to the next job opening here, they are hiring for ServiceNow developer in top MNC companies like with permanent position, and skills required ServiceNow developer, ITSM, integration, scripting, any modules like HRSD, CSM, GRC. Job location is Pan India location, and they are offering for, and experience is 5 to 12 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and immediate joiner or 90 days notice period they are offering for, and the interview drive would be 1st February, that is tomorrow. If you are interested for the job opening, you can go for the drive and you can attend the interview there. And this is the particular mail ID. You can send your resumes to that mail ID, or else you can send your resumes to this WhatsApp number. So coming to the next job opening here, ServiceNow developer, and location is US remote. Mode of hire is contract to site, and this is the job description. Like years of experience is 5 to 7 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and ServiceNow technology and platform experience, service portal, custom application development, and any of SN modules like ITSM, integrated risk management, GRC, service catalog, CMDB, discovery, as IT asset management, etc. So these are all the modules they are expecting from the candidate. So strong development background like Java or JavaScript, and expertise infrastructure experience, cloud knowledge, and experience in AWS Azure. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate. If you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this email, or else you can follow Y Kranti and you can send your resumes directly to him. So coming to the next job opening is ServiceNow developer. Like these are all the mandatory skills: ITSM, ServiceNow, CSM, and Snow. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resume shalaka@nilasu.com. So you can send your resume there. They are expecting like 8 to 12 years of experience from the candidate, and location is Bangalore location, and 22 LPL they are offering for this job opening. So notice period would be immediate joiners or candidates serving notice period. They are they are looking for. And if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID shalaka@nilasu.com. So coming to the next job opening, like ServiceNow developer, experience is 3 to 8 years, 9 years of experience, and the mode would be permanent mode. And job location in Hyderabad, they are offering for. So they are looking for only immediate joiners or serving notice period now. So these are the job description like ServiceNow portal development, and ServiceNow portal like service portal experience must have 2 plus years of experience that candidate should have in service portal, and plus HTML, CSS, JavaScript they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID like Shalini at the rate techshoppers.com. So you can send your resumes there. So coming to the next job opening is senior ServiceNow ITOM developer. Like this is the job description, and these are all the key responsibilities the candidate should have, like a ServiceNow native discovery, implement and manage ServiceNow native and discovery to ensure accurate discovery of IT assets and configuration items. So certification, hold a ServiceNow certified implementation specialist, and collaboration, work closely with IT operations and cloud teams to ensure alignment and integration of discovery process. So these are all the key responsibilities they are looking from the candidate. And they're also expecting ServiceNow certified implementation specialist, discovery certification, and strong understanding of ITOM CMDB principles, excellent problem solving and communication skills. They are expecting from the candidate here. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to Anu, and by following her, you can send your resumes there. That's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel, ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.